rolling up now. It is the 1967 Corvette L88. The L88 indicative of that legendary power plant. And as Bill mentioned, one of only 20 L88s built in the initial year, 1967.
Well, Bill did a great job of taking us through this car and why it is so important. But let me add another element to why this car is expecting multiple, perhaps even seven-figure bids. And that's because this car has been so well judged by all of the top judging experts. Bloomington Gold Certified, NCRS Top Flight and Performance Verification, McCacken Concours Gold, Celebrity Pick 2018. That's the triple diamond. That is as good as it gets to verify that your Corvette is of the very highest quality. Add on to that the rarity of the 20 L88s built, historical significance of that engine, and just how rough and tumble it is to drive one of these cars. You're going to take a big pocketbook to get her done. $2.25 million right now.
I got 2275. I got 2275.
Okay, getting a little confusion, a little reset there. By the way, Frank Mecum, Vice President of Consignments. They're trying. It's a big ticket item. It's going to take a little bit of extra time on this one.
Yep. We have seen these 67 L88s trade for this and more over the years. Keep in mind, rarity often drives the value, and it doesn't get more rare in this world than 20 in 1967.
Yeah, 80, 1968. 116, I believe, in 1969.
Yeah,
they shut the door on the L88 at that point.
One of the ways folks use to document an authentic L88 is the tank sticker. It does go along with this one.
Yep.
2,275,000 is bid. 4. I got 2-4. 2,000,004.
Well, we're getting up there.
that was Dana Mecum's voice you heard with 2.4 million.
I'll give you 2,350. I'll take a short deal on a big car.
I was trying to get another 50 out of this.
I got him up by the ankles and got the nickels and dimes out.
Was it 2,450?
I don't know that I can get him anymore.
So, you'll let us what?
2,350.
2,450.
2,450. We'll get it done.
Oh, it looks like they're close.
We can get 2,450. I'll net you 2,400. 2,400. I gotta make a little. You got 2,450?
2,450.
Boom! Wow.
We were just holding our breath, just absorbing all the nuance of everything that was going on there. But you know what? It's paid off. Reserves off $2,450,000.
Wow. And you're talking about this type of coin, not surprising that they're taking their time to get it all ironed out.
Well, and there we have it, the 1967 Chevrolet Corvette L88 Coupe, one of only 20 built in the debut year, $2,450,000.